Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. So today we are going to be discussing a very interesting tool, MCP tool for database, which is developed by Google itself and it's free and open source. So first, how to use this tool and why should you use this tool? So you should be using this tool because it directly connects your Claude Desktop or any other IDE to your database where you can do any kind of queries, right? It can connect to any of the databases. There is a beautiful um, screenshot that you can see. So it can be connected to any other databases. Like we would be going with the Postgres. Okay. So how will you use this tool? Okay. So first you have to install Go programming language. This is a pretty much straightforward language to install, just a compiled version. The second thing, you can also use the JavaScript SDK and the Python SDK to install this as well, this MCP tool. Once this is done, you have to come to the Claude Desktop, go to the developer section from your settings here. On the developer section, you can find the configuration file, edit the configuration file, and once you edit the configuration file, here is the configuration for this. So first, Postgres, I have already two MCP servers running. The third one is the Postgres. I have put in the tool path actually. So when you install the Go, it put into this path, whatever your path is, you can put it. Arguments are this, and you have to connect your database with this. Straightforward. That's all. Now see the magic. What is happening? So first, we would be going to the chat, and I would be, in the meanwhile, I will be opening the PostgreSQL over here. Okay. So now I would be asking, I have, there are three tables that I have. Get the data from the, so see the power, how it's actually giving you the data. So now if you go into my database, see the database itself, tables itself, user, and if you view all the rows, you can see exactly three data is coming. Okay. Now we can go to this. Tables to product to sinks. So stop that condition. First, I want to get the names as well. It's taking a bit of time, definitely, but you can see how it's actually getting the information. I do not need to query anything. It's insane. Just it's getting connected to my Postgres. So not only this, you can even, if you go into this documentation over here, and if you connect to this, you can connect to this, to the cursor, Windsurf, Visual Studio Code, Claude Code, everything. You can connect to any of these IDs and Claude Desktop. So you just imagine, you do not have to do anything, and it gives me a joining query of this. So it has given me the query itself. I do not have to write that query. I'm just saying that how you can. So it always says that you can query to the system and it can gives you back the information. So this is how you can get back the information from this system, and you can do anything. I mean, you can insert the data as well. Okay, insert a new user. Okay. A new user has been inserted. So everything, even if you wanted to make demo data, right? We developers sometimes need demo data, definitely. But we have to insert that or seed that. You do not need to seed that. Just connect to MCP, get it done, insert the information, you are all good to go. So this is how I am doing my development for things with Postgre and connecting it with this tool. This is a very beautiful tool I am using right now. So I thought it would be good to share this information with you as well. Thank you so much for watching my videos. If you do like my videos, do subscribe to my channel. And if you have done something, please comment out on the video itself. Thank you so much.